In this video, we will show you how to sort in Google Sheets. To sort in Google Sheets, it's very easy. In here, for example, we have 3 fields with number, name, and age. We can sorting by each of fields. How to do that? We can block the column like this, and we don't include the header. Okay. After that, we can click data and select sort range, and you can click advanced range sorting options. As you can see here, in the sort by, there is 3 header. Okay, by column C there is number, and by column D there is name, and by column E there is age. This header column based on your selection. So let's try to sorting by number. There is C, and let's reverse by the higher number to smaller number. Let's click sort. You can see there now become the number 10 until 1. And it's the same if you want to sorting by the name. You can click data and click sort range and select advanced range sorting options. And because the name is on D, we can select D in here. And in here, let's sorting by A to Z. Okay, the Biden become the number 1 because there is first letter B, D, E, G. Okay, and another. Let's sorting by age also. We can click data and click sort range and change and select advanced range sorting options. And let's select by the younger people to older people. Okay, click sort. Oh, I'm sorry. Click data sort range and select the column A because there is age, and click sort. Now there is younger people and there is the oldest one. And that's all tutorial how to sort in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.